Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to replace an old CD drive in your computer. Okay, this is the one that I'm going to replace it with. And here is the one that I'm going to take out, the black one right there. Okay, first of all, you're going to need a screwdriver. You have to open up your computer case. So remove the screws. Okay, slide it out. You want to disconnect anything like this fan I have right here. So you can take out the key all the way. Okay, then you're going to want to unscrew your CD drive. See, mine has 4 screws. Yours just might be different. This is probably the longest part of the whole thing. Okay, I removed all the 4 of the screws, you see. And this is my secondary drive. You can see I have another one right here. Now you have to unplug the cables. This one is the power cable. Right there. And the IDE cable right here. So I'm going to take those out. And after you've done that, you want to open up the front of your case like that. And then you can just push it out. So you just push it like that. And it should slide out too. And you can just remove it like that. Then you can take the one you want to replace it with and just do the same thing but backwards. Slide it back in. Like that. Okay. Now, one thing I should have told you about is if it is your secondary drive, you're going to want to have it, the jumper settings set to slave, like that. That's for mine. Yours might be different. But if it is your primary drive, like that one right there, the first one, then you're going to want to have it set to master. Okay, I've already set mine to slave. As you can see down there, it's kind of hard, but yeah. And all you do is just plug in the IDE cable, and just push it in, and the power cable. Same thing, just push it in like that. Then screw it in, and you're done. That's it. That's how to replace a CD drive in your computer, or you can say DVD drive or CDR drive, whatever. It's all the same. And that's it. Yeah, I should have told you after you replace it, you put the screws back in, and also just cover your case, put your case back on, and plug in all your plugs and everything, and it should be fine. And that's really it right there. Okay.